Hi guys, I am Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams, and welcome to Law Digest. So this video is about giving you a sneak peek into our video course. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि द वीडियो कोर्स दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड उसकी डेमो वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं कि किस तरह से उस कोर्स को बनाया गया है, किस तरह से कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर किया गया है. सो इसके लिए व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव अटैच वन ऑफ माय वीडियोस फ्रॉम वन ऑफ माय वीडियो कोर्सेज दैट इज ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. मैंने अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कोर्स की एक वीडियो साथ में अटैच कर दी है फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस तरह से उस कोर्स को स्ट्रक्चर किया गया है. इसके बाद वो वीडियो प्ले होने लग जाएगा. आई होप यू विल लाइक इट एंड जस्ट इन केस आपको कोई क्वेरीज, कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं आप, यू कैन मेंशन द सेम इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो.
In this video, we are going to talk about the first chapter of the Constitution, that is the Preamble. Now, Preamble is something जो एक डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो बेसिकली ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं जिससे कोई भी लॉ अपनी जो वैलिडिटी है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी है, वो डिराइव करता है. So preamble is something that details the objectives of the whole law that we are considering. Now, when it comes to constitution, this is how the preamble looks like. So what we will do is we will discuss the basic concepts here, and if there is something additional that I want that you should know, I'll refer you to the PDF. Now, preamble देखते हैं. It reads, we, that is the people of India, the citizens of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Now, ये है nature of the state. ये resolve किया गया है by the people of India that they will create such a state जिसका objective क्या है? To secure to its citizens justice. कैसा justice? Social, economic, political, SEP. You can make these short forms to remember stuff. Then liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Total liberty कितनी है? 5. Sometimes these kinds of questions also come that how many types of liberty has been prescribed in the constitution, or what kind of justice does the constitution talk about. तो इसके लिए you should know all these things. ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then next is equality. Equality of status and opportunity, and to promote amongst them fraternity. Fraternity क्या है? Assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. The feeling of brotherhood amongst the people should be promoted. And ये कब आया preamble? In our constituent assembly. किस डेट पे? 26 November 1949. Hereby adopt. This term is important. Why? Because there is a difference between the day जब constitution adopt हुआ है and जब constitution enforce हुआ है. So the date of adoption जो है that is given in the preamble itself, जो कि है 26 November 1949, and date of enforcement is different. Date of enforcement is 26 January 1950. So इस दिन जो है constitution enforce हुआ है, उसके जो articles हैं वो enforcement में आए हैं, they've come into action. So basically आपने देखा this is the preamble. अगर हम इसको break करना चाहें, let's look it in simple terms. What do we see? We see 4 broad areas that we can break the preamble into. 4 broad areas है. Source of authority क्या है? People of India. क्योंकि preamble में बोला गया है we the people of India. So therefore जो constitution की authority है, जो source है, वो आ रहा है from the people of India. Then next is nature of Indian state. How should the state be? कैसा nature होना चाहिए? Sovereign होना चाहिए. Sovereign मतलब कि the state is independent. There is no other country that is ruling the state. The state is independently taking its own decisions. Then socialist state है हमारा. Socialist in the sense that private and public sectors both are functioning together in harmony in such a manner that the natural resources are not concentrated with a particular individual या फिर country के पास. Now, when the public resources are under one particular state or one particular nation, all the resources of the nation vest in that particular nation, उसको हम communist state बोलते हैं. And if all the resources vest in the private sector, there is no control of the government, that is a capitalist state. So then next feature is secularism. Secular क्यों है state? Because state का कोई अपना religion नहीं है. There is freedom to follow any religion. The state does not particularly give importance to one particular religion per se. Then democratic why? Because the government that comes into play is what is elected by the people of India and for the people of India. So इसलिए ये डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट है. फर्दर रिपब्लिक स्टेट होता है when you have a elected head. The head of your state has been elected by the people of the state. That is a republic state. Monarch state में क्या होता है कि there is a king or there is a ruler जो succession के basis पे they are functioning in the state. So nature of Indian state is basically all these features. Then objective क्या है constitution का? We saw that the objective is to secure what? Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Justice we saw is of three kinds, liberty is of five kinds, equality is of status and opportunity, and fraternity includes dignity and unity and integrity of the nation. Now ये जो terms है integrity and socialist secular, these terms were added in the preamble by the 42nd amendment that happened in 1976 as has been mentioned in the notes as well. तो preamble में जो amendment हुआ था वो आज तक सिर्फ एक बार हुआ है through the 42nd amendment. Then date of adoption we had already discussed. 26 November 1949 is the day जब हमने constitution को adopt किया था. Next, the question that comes with respect to the preamble is कि क्या preamble जो है that is a part of the constitution or is it different from the constitution, separate from the constitution, and the constitution actually starts from article 1. So जो बेरुबारी यूनियन का केस था वहां पे ये बोला गया था कि preamble is not a part of the constitution, but then finally this question was settled by the केशव नंदा भारती केस जो 1973 का पॉपुलर एंड मोस्ट लीडिंग केस इन द फील्ड ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लॉ है. इस केस में ये रियलाइज किया गया था कि प्रियम्बल जो है इट इज ऑफ एक्सट्रीम इंपॉर्टेंस and constitution should be read and interpreted in the light of the grand and noble vision expressed in the preamble. So basically it said कि preamble जो है पूरा vision जो है वो express करता है और पूरा constitution जो है वो उस preamble की light में ही पढ़ा जाना चाहिए. Keeping in mind whatever is contained in the preamble, the constitution should be read. Then it says preamble is a part of the constitution. It contains basic structure of the constitution. Basic structure doctrine आया था that we will discuss in detail later, but उसमें essentially ये बोला गया था कि constitution जो है उसके कुछ features ऐसे हैं that form the part of the basic structure of the constitution, and वो structure जो है वो amend नहीं किया जा सकता है by the parliament by any amendment. And the basic structure is sacrosanct, you cannot change it, you cannot take it away, and preamble is a part of the basic structure of the constitution. तो preamble को हम हटा नहीं सकते हैं constitution से. It was also said that preamble जो है आप amend कर सकते हो under article 368 which speaks of amendment. This we will deal later in the chapter of amendments. So it says preamble जो है वो amend किया जा सकता है to the extent कि basic structure ना destroy हो. तो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो, ओनली टू दैट रिस्पेक्ट द प्रीएम्बल कैन बी अमेंडेड, एंड एज आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इट हैज बीन अमेंडेड ओनली वंस इन 1976 थ्रू द 42nd अमेंडमेंट जहां पे सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर और इंटेग्रिटी जैसे तीन वर्ड्स ऐड किए गए थे. सो इसी के साथ ये चैप्टर खत्म होता है. वी हैव बेसिकली डिस्कस कि प्रीएम्बल में है क्या क्या चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है, एलिमेंट्स क्या है प्रीएम्बल के, अमेंडमेंट कब हुआ है और क्या पार्ट बनता है प्रीएम्बल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. सो ऑल दिस यू नीड टू नो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है दैट हैज बीन ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू इन द पीडीएफ. यू कैन लुक एट द पीडीएफ एंड बेसिकली दिस इज एसेंशियली व्हाट यू आर रिक्वायर्ड to learn about preamble, to know about preamble, and with this we end this video.